so that video that you just saw was created using a software like Animoto. Now, if there's one thing that I'm ever gonna recommend to you, it's keeping a video between anywhere from 45 seconds up to 1 minute and 30 seconds when you're creating a video slideshow like that particular video that I just showed you. Now, the reason being why you wanna do that is because when we get into our retargeting strategies, it'll really all make sense. So your video really gonna have to be under or anywhere from the range of 45 seconds to 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you can use something like Animoto, and again, they'll create something absolutely amazing. And let me just kind of give you an example over here. See, so like this. These type of ads aren't terrible at all. They catch attention. They do their job, okay? That's exactly what they're there to do. So I suggest you go out there and use something like Animoto. And again, it's very, very, very powerful if you go out there and just use product images where it showcases the person actually using the product that you're trying to sell as well. But not only that, you want to make sure that you have text on the video like this, okay? You remember the video that I showed you in the beginning? If there's text on the video like that, it brings people in. They're looking at the product and they're actually reading stuff, so it hooks them in. It's basically committing them to keep on watching. And if you know how to write copy, that's even better because you can just keep telling people, hey, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, without saying keep watching. So, elegant, beautiful furniture followed with ... next image. This beautiful decor that looks like a bird that also does ... and then next image, etc. So it keeps, people really in tune and really kind of watching everything that's going on. And the more they watch, the more engaged they are, the better it's going to be for us to generate sales, because I'm going to show you exactly how to play off of that and generate sales, a lot of sales at that. So again, I'm going to catch you in the next video, and I'll see you there.